Oh, can you guys hear me now? Don't tell me. Can you hear me now, Oren? Should be working now. Oh, fantastic. Okay, great. All right. Wow. I don't know why that didn't. I didn't know why that didn't save. That's weird. Okay. Well, duly noted. I'll try to pay attention to that. Yeah. So I took the training wheels off on the trade copier, and so the PA accounts are on this side, and the so micros and then minis on this side. Really trying to get more comfortable trading the PA account, so I'll make sure I not mess them up. But yeah, I messed this one up a little bit today because I don't know what happened. I traded the Rithmic phone app, and I don't know, that thing sucks. So I just deleted it off my phone. I won't be doing that crap again. So anyway, but this one's so $800 away from passing on this 50K here. So yeah, so 2 down. Back into a fair value gap right here. So I mean that's a pretty big 2 down to start the hour for sure. And but I don't know. You know, if we get another 2 down, obviously I'd look for somewhere maybe around in here for it to come down to and test. Maybe down into here around the 18,903 area. I want to wait for a bit of a bounce though before I get back in short on the PA accounts. But yeah, I went ahead and activated the 50K, and then this one's close to passing too. So, and then I got a couple 75Ks that I'm close to passing as well. At least I think I do. I'll have to look at them and see. But I really like Quant Tower for those Rithmic accounts. I don't know. I mean, I think it's great. I think it's great. So yeah, so basically this one's at almost 78,000. This 50K is just barely over. And then this is the 250K. I don't really know if I like them, to be honest with you. I don't know. Jury's still out on it for me. I'm not super crazy about it. Alright, so just did ES right there, short on the 250K. The thing I like about those is it's got a lot of drawdown. So, okay, so this 75K is at 76,000, and then this one is roughly 78,000. But I got to get it to 79. I think it's like 79,250 or 450. I don't know. It's some odd number. That's weird. I don't know why my microphone wasn't on. That's crazy. Okay, so the 75K, yeah, you got to get it to 4250. So 75 plus 4250. Oh, it just seems like an odd number, but I get it because it's a mix of the 25K and 50K. So 79,250. So I still got a little bit to go on that one. It's fine. So since we had that two down, I'll just be looking for some continuation now. Down into 18,903. So we'll see if they continue to pull it back here. Let's look at the daily. We got to be back inside red. No. Oh, really? Wow. Well, that's interesting. We've already gone 2 up. So, huh. But this looks like a TTO to me still. Oh, this is the daily, sorry. So we went 2 up yesterday, which we did. I was actually kind of surprised. So here's the daily. It just hadn't refreshed yet. So I'd be looking, yeah, down, pull back into roughly 18,893, unless they come up here and touch 926 first. Let's look at the 4-hour. Because you always got your draw on liquidity, right? So they're going to go for the liquidity. The question is, which liquidity they're going to go for first. Obviously, right now it looks like they're coming for this liquidity, but you know they could reverse us here and come back up into this liquidity. So just kind of depends. You know, market can do whatever the heck it wants. So yeah, so if you look at it from this angle, here's your 4-hour. If they TTO'd here, here's your broadening formation. We draw it out, you can see it. It won't be perfect here on this. I should do it on not gonna draw. What the heck? Oh, wrong chart. Okay, let's do this. So there's your rough broadening formation there. And we'll just do something like this. We'll just pretend. Okay, cool. Alright, so there's your broadening formation. So you're stuck inside, roughly, this. But if you look at this as your mother bar, so from here to here, this is the range we're in. So we want to do a fib from here to here. So if they retrace 50%, you're looking down another 100 point, roughly another 100 points. So yeah, so we've just barely retraced. We haven't even retraced 76% yet. But they should come touch right here, 900. So there's your 4-hour. If they don't break through this, they'll reverse it back up, obviously, and probably come back up to 920 first. But if they can break through this 910, I'd look for anywhere from 900 to 905 to hit. The ES short hasn't worked out yet, but they're just playing around with it. I'd be looking for at least to come down to 26 on there. Oh, shit. I just looked at something. Of course, I'll have to make up some more days on it for sure, but my Top Step, I have one Top Step, no, I'm sorry, I got 3 Top Step X accounts. That was when they were doing their special for $4.50, so I'm only $300 away from passing that. Actually, a little more, because I'm going to tell you why. I hate this about them. Your best day cannot be more than 50% of your other days with them. So that means I need to come in and I'll have to keep trading. I'll have to keep trading until I can get that below 50%. And I actually just checked on that. I didn't even realize I was that close to passing. That's really interesting. Well, it says I made $900 something the other day on it. I must have had some orders sitting out there that I didn't realize. So their dashboard is their accounts look like this. Well, if you're on their platform, Top Step X, it looks like this because it's basically TradingView. Well, dang. I guess I need to work on passing that account, don't I? I hate it because, I'm so close, yet so far away, because I gotta have, my best day can't be more than 50%. It's crazy, some of these rules. That's why I really do prefer Apex. They don't care in eval. You kill it, make the trade in one day, who cares? You pass the eval. Top Step is like, oh no, you can't be better than 50% in one day. Idiotic. So it looks like the new 30-minute on ES went 2 down, but they're kind of turning it into a semi-hammer. ES short is working out. I added another one. But I would sort of be looking for a little bit of a small bounce right here, so. Well, this gives me some motivation though to work on the Top Step account. So if my best day was 900 and something, I just need to basically come in and make about 450. And it'll even it out. And I will have passed the account. So I should be good on that, actually. Because, right? Is that right? So my best day was 97.2% because my best day was 2,600. Worst day was 994, which makes it more than... So, yeah. So, I think if I come in and just make $400 or $500, it will have passed the account and evened out. So, I don't know. I'm going to give it a shot. Just wait on a really good setup. Man, had I known I was that close from passing, I'd have, I'd have really worked on that. That's a nice surprise to find, though. I hadn't checked in him forever. I kind of just been focusing on all the Apex accounts, so was no need to really check on it. So, good find, right? Kind of like finding money in your pocket when you're about to do laundry. Well, I can't really see any need in doing anything right now. Kind of made the money. Except getting this 50K at Apex passed and the 50K at Top Step passed. But I can't really see any need in being in a trade right now. I'll just have to kind of let the 4 hour and 1 hour play out. Hour's almost up, so maybe get a small bounce on NQ back into 915, possibly 917. If they continue to sell it off, I'd look for 904 all the way down to 897 to hit. So really kind of no need in doing anything just right this second. Yeah, the next payout cycle with Apex won't be until the 1st through the 5th, which you have to have traded on the account for 10 days. The 25K I have. The 50K I have not, because I just activated it today. So there's really no need in me pushing the envelope and rushing it. So I might as well just take my time, build it back up to where it needs to be. I was back even. So I'm saying I don't know what happened today on that stupid phone app thing, but whatever. So just have to take good quality trade setups in that account and build it back to even and go from there. So what? I need $400 basically to get it back to even. May take me 2 or 3 days, but I can get it back there. Well, those 30 minutes definitely turning into a hammer on ES. Alright guys, I'm probably going to end the stream. I just don't think there's going to be much to do at the moment. May get on a bit later when we get a little more movement, but I just don't see much to do right now, so no sense in sitting here in silence. Alright, I'll hop back on later, probably around 9 o'clock. Trade that 9 p.m. candle.